Hello Kenta friends! In this video, we will explore 3 top remote control applications: Unimote Remote, Tcl Remote, and Vizio Remote. Each of these apps offers unique features tailored to enhance your home entertainment experience. Let's dive in. Unimote Remote. Unimote Remote is a versatile and user-friendly application that serves as a universal remote control for various electronic devices such as TVs, air conditioners, set-top boxes, and more. It allows users to conveniently control multiple devices from different brands using their Android smartphone or tablet. The application offers a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to set up and use their remote control functions effectively. With Unimote Remote, users can streamline their home entertainment experience by seamlessly managing their electronic devices with just a few taps on their mobile device. Tcl Remote. Tcl Remote is a dedicated remote control application specifically designed for Tcl brand TVs. This application is tailored to provide Tcl TV owners with a convenient way to operate their television sets using their Android devices. With Tcl Remote, users can access all the essential functions available on their Tcl TVs, such as adjusting volume, changing channels, and navigating through menus, all from the comfort of their smartphones. The app boasts a straightforward interface that ensures a hassle-free user experience, making it a reliable companion for Tcl TV owners seeking a seamless and intuitive remote control solution. Vizio Remote. Vizio Remote is an advanced remote control application created specifically for Vizio brand TVs. With this app, Vizio TV owners can effortlessly control their television sets directly from their Android smartphones or tablets. Vizio Remote offers a range of features, including easy-to-navigate controls, quick access to settings, and the ability to customize the remote layout to suit individual preferences. The application enhances the user experience by providing a convenient and efficient way to interact with Vizio TVs, allowing users to immerse themselves in their favorite content without the need for a physical remote control. In conclusion, Unimote Remote, Tcl Remote, and Vizio Remote are 3 exceptional remote control apps that cater to different needs and preferences. Thank you for watching.